Here we are in St Pancras on our way to Derby for the World Superbikes. Little hotel breakfast area. Don't normally get this sort of thing, but it's like 7 AM. It's quite a nice room, quite nice. It says awful weather. I'll definitely take. Here we are in Derby. That's the pub where I stayed last night. Off to the circuit. This is Derby. I don't know if it's like a cathedral or something, I'm guessing so. Yeah, Derby Cathedral. It is completely dead here. It was quite busy yesterday. I walked down here. Just before the England game. On the bus now to Donington Park. It's about once every half an hour the bus, so luckily just made it. Walk into the track. We are. You get much more access with this than a lot of other sports even.
Will win a prize. Still doesn't trust me, does he? He doesn't trust me at all. Okay, Donington, make some noise! There you go, mate, that's for you. There you go. See?
Cool shop. Not bad prices. I'm not gonna buy anything, but got my pit walk, wristband. As you can see, every rider has got their own truck, and from that they use it to obviously transport around Europe and around the world and keep all the necessities in there. Here's the leading two in the World Superbikes Championship for Ducati. Pretty cool. Don't normally get this sort of access. We're right behind the pits here. As you can see, there's race suits and a couple of riders walking around.
Between them, you get 25 points for the win, 20 for second, 16 for third, and then it's 13, 11 and 10, and then 9, 8, 7, all the way down to 15th place.
This sort of access is really cool to see the whole Parc Fermé experience. Wouldn't normally get this, and hopefully get a better spot for the main event. Here we are then, the Super Pole race of the World Superbikes. Back in Parc Fermé, and it's a Ducati Bulega win. Doing the pit walk now. It cost me £30 for this access. This is the women's race. This is the Super Sport race. Time for the main event, let's go. Find our way to the bus stop and back into Derby. That ain't my bus. I got scared for a second. As you can see, it's quite busy walking up this road. A lot of people seem to be leaving early, and I'm not too sure why.